Today, I'm taking you through my everyday backpack, everything that I use, everything that you need to make a full, completely professional photo shoot with only one backpack. And you can see that we can fit a lot of things there. This video can be really useful for a lot of you because sometimes we think that we need plenty of gear, sometimes we do, but most often we don't. Bonjour and welcome to your home for your creativity and your well-being. I'm Melody, a photographer, art director and yoga teacher, and today we're talking about my everyday backpack. I live in London where I don't own a car, so sometimes I do take a taxi or get some gear delivered somewhere, but most of the time, for the type of shoot that I'm doing, this is everything that fits in one backpack. Just for reference, this is the Wonder. I absolutely love it. I would love to do a review on this bag. If you are interested, let me know in the comments. First of all, a little AirTag, so that's not about the gear, but just make sure you got an AirTag, please. My camera, so I shoot with the Canon R6 and with my lens, the 28-70mm f2 from Canon. I usually have 3 memory cards with me. 2 of them fit into my camera because I have 2 memory card inserts. They are 256 giga each. I always take an extra because one can be damaged, one cannot work. Batteries, this is the battery I use, the Canon batteries. I always have one in my camera fully charged and 2 extra ones. Usually 2 is enough. If I will go for like a full day of shoots, I would probably take my charger or my 3 batteries. Otherwise, if I'm limited, 2 batteries will be enough. My favorite things ever, gaff tape. This is so underrated. This can be used for everything. You always have to fix something, whether it's on the clothes of the people you are photographing. Sometimes you need to hide something, or you bring a little light with you or a little reflector and you need to fix it in a wall. You just crack it, it doesn't leave any mark, and you just use it for everything. This is the best, cheapest investment you can do. Highly recommend it. It can save some photos, truly. Phone tripod. This is super important, I think, because it can be used for the clients if they want some video backstage, but also for you. Don't forget your backstage video, even if they're not the highest quality. If you want to show how you do a photo shoot, this is really key. You can show yourself, you can show your clients, or you can just take a testimonial on the go, looking really clean while you're not there so they feel comfortable. I would use this filter. I really thought I would not use it that much, and turns out I absolutely love it. It's Polar Pro filter that done a collaboration with Short Stash, which I love. It's a polarizer, but also get you a little mist. It's small and I love the effect that it has. I wouldn't overuse it, but I use it much more than I thought. If you want a review on it, let me know. I've got a little bag from Earth. It's great, it's a great brand, and they have, you know, all the essentials to remove the dust on your lens and on your camera. It's so key when you start shooting. So I've just got everything here. I also have my lens cap and everything. I just put it there. It's light and it keeps everything clean before starting to shoot. I would pack a reflector. You can pack a very small one. It can really make a difference, you know, bringing the lights on a face. When I shoot like dance or larger scene, I usually don't pack it, but when it's more portrait or people or close-up and taking a photo to the next level in such a small and light thing, a really weird one, but I will always pack a plastic bag. If it's raining or if I need to put something and separate it from my gear in my backpack, you can always use it to put it in front of the lens. Can have some cool effects. The last one I would mention is the neon aperture light. So sometimes I take it, it can fit in the backpack or on the pocket on the side. It can be heavier, but again, it kind of fits into this whole concept of the everyday backpack. I currently use mine just here to bring some orange lights to my background. This is a super cool light because it's on a battery, so you just charge it before. It's magnetic, so you can put it anywhere, or if you have your tape, you know, you can fit it somewhere, or you can ask the model to hold it. I really don't use it for every photo at all, but it's such a great packed light that can bring your photo to the next level or be creative while being on your own or while being on the go. If you put the neon super close to your face, you can have a very beautiful light. It's not about having a big light, but again, we're talking about packing small. And if you learn how to use it, it's a great one because it also, as you can see, bring other color and not only the white. I'll always have my phone with me, obviously, and always a little snack. I prefer a protein bar. It gives me fuel if I need it. My water bottle, a non-negotiable one. When people know I just drink a lot and I need my water to just keep my mind sharp and full of energy. Let me know in the comments if you find that useful, and I would love to know what is in your backpack, like what do you use every day? Maybe I forgot something that I should have. Otherwise, if you want an honest review about the 28-70mm f2 Canon, click on the video that will be linked at the end of this one. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.